I hate being sick. Being sick sucks. I hate being sick. Did I tell you how much I hate being sick? I haven't been sick in 3 years. 3 years. But you see, people at my work, they like to come into my office to ask me things. And me, being the nice person I am, I don't turn them down. But some people like to come to my office and cough on me. People have just been coming into my office and coughing on me. Now, for somebody who hasn't been sick in 3 years, I thought I'd been doing pretty well. Until somebody came into my office and coughed on me and got me sick. I've been sick for the entire weekend. Isn't it funny how in the wild bears like to steal honey? So what they do is they take the honey and then they put it in the little bear so then we can take the honey away from the bears. Ah, hot. So welcome to another episode of the vlog. I thought I wasn't gonna have enough energy to do this because I've literally been sick in bed all weekend. But it would seem kind of ironic in a poetic kind of way if I didn't get up and do a vlog this week after my vlog last week and how it was about motivation, getting over your failures, and just overcoming obstacles. So for this week, what I have in mind is I'm gonna take you along for a journey as I go to the Tet Festival, otherwise known as Chinese New Year. So anyways, I went out there and did a little bit of filming and I cut something together for you guys, so let's check it out.
Chasing
festival for Chinese New Year, aka Tet. As you can see, there's a ton of people out here right now. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
So we're inside of Asian Garden Mall right now. It's just a little bit past lunchtime, so let's go check out what kind of snacks they got over here. There's like this stuff right here. We got like some egg rolls. Alright, so we failed at finding some food in there because it didn't look good at all. So let's go get something to drink and then we'll go find some food. Oh my god. It's like a coffee and tea thing, but...
You're supposed to drink them together?
What? Woo! Oh my god, yours is so sweet. Pretty good though. Let's go find something to eat. I'm so hungry right now. Alright, so we're on the hunt for some barbecue pork then. I think there's a place right over here though.
Oh, my shoelace. They're stuck. They're not getting...
You're stuck. You can't make it. Sorry, there's Asian drivers here. We don't move for the cops at all.
Look at he's just
He's stuck there. What's going on? Game over, police. He's stuck. Yo, let's check out this barbecue food to go right here.
They're still not moving for him.
Wow.
Look at he's still stuck.
Do a kickflip. Do a kickflip.
Yeah.
He's trying to bail.
Dude, he's still gonna die.
Where's he going? See how this is. It's actually really good. Alright, time to get home. It's starting to get dark here. Whoops, can't go that way, that's the up escalator.
So you get for not paying attention and recording.
Look at this guy.
It's his spot.
No, this guy's messing with me. Oh. Oh, he's just gonna fly right there? It's a gato!
You pet it?
Meow! Come here, little cat. Meow! Meow! You want pets? I want pets.
Where'd you come from?
Come here, cat. Okay, so there's like a stray cat in my car now. I guess,
Oh. No.
no, it doesn't want to stay. Yes, it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to stay. He loves the camera. You love the camera? Hmm? You love the camera?
If he has fleas and that's why he wants to rub.
I think we have fleas now. He's rubbing my car. He loves my car. This cat loves me. He just adopted us right now. Look at this guy.
Wait, what if he does have fleas? Maybe that's why he keeps doing that.
No, I don't know. Bye. Aw. Okay. Bye. We have to go. Bye. Bye. Alright guys, welcome back for that. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you had a good time. Hope you learned something about Vietnamese culture. And maybe next year you guys will want to check out the Tet Festival for Chinese New Year. I think I'm gonna take a nap. So we'll see you guys next week.